Welcome to this quick guide on copying your Messenger username with the latest steps. If you want to share your profile or link with friends, this is a simple, reliable way to get it done fast. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged in and that you're connected to the internet so the app can load your profile information correctly. Once the app is up, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon. Depending on your device and the app version, tap that menu to reveal more options. From there, locate and select settings. This is where you'll find all the personalization options for your Messenger experience. In settings, search for the username section. Your current Messenger username should appear there, ready for you to review. Tap on username to open the details. Here you can see your username and the option to copy a link associated with it. When you're ready, tap copy link. This action copies a shareable link to your device's clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. Whether you're sending it in a chat, email, or post, that link will direct people to your Messenger profile. If you've copied the link but don't see the prompt to paste yet, no problem. Open the app or chat where you want to share it, tap the text field, and paste. You'll see your Messenger profile link appear, ready to send. A quick tip. Before sharing, you can consider adding a short note so friends know what the link is for. This can help avoid confusion and make your message feel more personal. That's all there is to it. The process is straightforward and designed to be intuitive, so you can copy your Messenger username link in just a few taps. Whether you're updating friends, joining a group, or coordinating with colleagues, having that link handy makes connecting smoother than ever.